So is there any particular platform that you use, be it AWS, Azure, Google? Is there one platform, or is pretty much it depends on the client, I imagine?
Yeah, that's going to vary client to client. You'll see most organizations, I think, are going to use Amazon AWS.
Mm,
It's a really popular platform. It was among the first, if not the first, cloud service provider on the
yeah,
market. So it's
wonderful.
very, very popular. And one of the things about AWS that makes it, continuing to make it really dominant is its ease of use. I mean, don't get me wrong, you can't just go in and just figure out and know it all in a day, but it makes sense. They have standards, it's really well organized and architected. And so AWS is a great place to start. Having said that, a lot of organizations are using Microsoft. For
Mhm.
Microsoft, they have a solid platform too. I don't want to take away from that, but their approach is more about how they price and bundle things together. So they basically incentivize customers like you're already buying Microsoft, Windows desktops and server licenses. Well, now you can only buy that if you also buy cloud services. So they kind of shoehorn you into buying their services. But a lot of customers seem to resonate with that because they do get discounts on
Yeah,
the server and desktop licenses. So that could be significant
yeah,
for them. But if they have other operating systems like Mac OS or Linux, or maybe they're looking for better ways to reduce their spending with
hmm,
Microsoft, they'll probably be resistant to it. So, but Azure is a really strong contender. They may be the top CSP or cloud service provider in the industry because of the way that they approach how to sell it. So they're a very, very strong platform. But most of my customers are going to use AWS. Very rarely do I see GCP. And when we do, even though Google has a solid reputation and they do have a solid platform, it's like speaking Greek because once you're used to AWS, you got then need a Rosetta Stone to go to
right,
GCP.
right.
AWS and Azure, even though they have different names for
Yeah,
different components, like storage, for example, AWS calls it
blobs,
S3 buckets. Yeah, Azure calls
buckets,
it blobs.
blobs. Yeah, yeah, for Azure.
So if as long as you know like these things are actually the same, they're just different names. It's really easy to like mentally map that out. But
Yes,
then
yes.
GCP will have like projects, and you're like, what is a project? Like I'm not trying to be a PMP here. So I don't see GCP as much, probably because it's not as dominant. Like the way that Google approaches how
Yeah,
they sell is different from Microsoft, and also like the way that they talk about their technology and name things is so dramatically different and organized
yeah.
than AWS and Azure. So to answer your question, AWS seems to be the most dominant one that I see, but
You're
you have
right.
to
Yeah.
recognize Azure is probably just as prominent.
Right, you're right. So because the market share for cloud, something I talk about here a few times, like just looking it up, the market share is like 30 plus percent for AWS, and then it goes down to like 20 something percent for Azure, and it goes all the way down to 10% for Google. And then all the rest, like Oracle has a little tiny,
Oracle,
point.
IBM,
IBM, yeah. And then you get
Alibaba.
Alibaba, Tencent, they're down, they're in there somewhere. But AWS is like, man, they've got most of the market share.